How to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it again. Go back and now open the apps manager in your phone. On this page you will find all the apps that you have. Search for Snapchat right here and click on it, and then go to the storage, click on clear data, click on delete, and now go back into the home page, open the Play Store, search for Snapchat and make sure to update it into the latest version. And you can do the same thing in the App Store on any iOS iPhone. So if the problem is not solved yet, this means that you have any problem with the network that you are connected to, so you have to try to change the Wi-Fi. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.